This is a video that's going to be of interest to very few people, but I took my Fox Live Valve controller apart because this was where I was having problems, just to see what was going on. You see it's pretty darn sophisticated for being almost nothing in here. And I do see an issue. I'll try to zoom in on this, but you can see down in this corner there's some corrosion going on. There was no obvious crack or way for water or anything to get in there, so I don't know how that happened, but that's what I'm seeing. If I zoom in on this, it's remarkable, these phones. You can see it's all concentrated in this area, and in particular, sort of this part here seems to have gotten the worst of it, and this thing is quite discolored. The backside where the corrosion is doesn't look bad at all. Nor do, well, so that thing doesn't look good.